Hey everyone! If you're an investor looking to score some sweet Black Friday deals on Robo Advisors, you've come to the right place. Make sure to click the link in the description below to get your special offers and discounts. All right, let's dive in. So, what's the deal with Robo Advisors this Black Friday? Imagine getting top-notch investment management for a fraction of the cost. Sounds good, right? First up, we have Betterment. This Black Friday, they're offering a 6-month fee waiver for new signups. That's right, 6 months of professional financial advice, absolutely free. Betterment already has low fees, so this is like icing on the cake. Next on the list is Wealthfront. They're pulling out all the stops with their promotion. No advisory fees for your first $10,000 invested. That's pretty generous if you ask me. It's a fantastic way to start building your portfolio without worrying about fees eating into your returns. Then there's M1 Finance. This Black Friday, they're offering $30 to anyone who opens a new account and funds it with at least $1,000. It's like getting paid to invest. Plus, their platform is super customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific investing needs. Don't forget about SoFi Invest. They're giving away a $50 bonus for new accounts opened this Black Friday. Just deposit at least $500 and bam, $50 in your pocket. SoFi also has educational resources to help you make the most of your investment journey. And last but certainly not least, Ellevest is joining the party. They're offering 50% off their premium plans for the first 3 months. This is a great opportunity to experience their personalized investment strategies and career coaching services at half the price. So there you have it, 5 amazing Black Friday deals from top robo-advisors. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these discounts can help you get more bang for your buck. Remember, these deals are for a limited time only, so don't wait too long to take advantage of them. Click the link in the description below to grab your special offers. Happy investing and happy Black Friday! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome deals and investing tips. See you next time!